Alrighty. Our surroundings. I don't see anyone, but Auburn traffic, 90860 Golf, taking runway 25 for left, closed traffic. Auburn traffic. Very good. Clear the runway. Start our left turn. At 2000, 425. Burn crosswind. Keep climbing. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf on the crosswind for the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic. Sweet. So should we get to 2,500 feet before
I would start the turn.
Start
you may end up leveling at the same time.
Alright.
Now for the level off, just bring your power back. You don't even really have to do much with your pitch.
Okay.
Just pull back to 2,100.
Alright. 21-ish.
A little more, a little more. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. There you go.
There we go.
Ah, there we go.
Alright, let's...
Mark 7 McCready Airport, fatigue 329, it's PC 12, 10 miles
Yeah,
to
we're good. The
the
gumps,
west.
gas,
undercarriage,
extra rich.
Alright.
And so landing checklist complete. We're coming up already on our aim spot.
Yeah, so let's start pitch, power,
Carburetor heat.
carburetor heat, power, 18, flaps, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000.
Get that attitude, look at your wing, get it slightly in decline down. Right there, there you go.
Alright.
Yep, there's the picture.
Alright. And we are about 45, not quite 45 from the numbers. And now we are. Alright.
So peaceful doing pattern work.
Yeah.
I feel it's always so relaxing to be like, ah.
Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, turning base for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Like playing golf.
I haven't.
Lower your nose a little bit.
Alright.
Right there, there's the
1,000.
picture.
2, 1,000. 3, 1,000.
Yep.
I use that big house right there as a good reference
Yeah,
point.
there you go.
Alright, let's start our... We are high.
Oh, good. You're sensing your high, you're seeing, visually sensing it. Using power first, waiting the flaps.
There we go, we're looking a little
The last couple of notches of flaps are a lot of drag.
Yeah.
So,
I'll wait until we get a little bit closer to the
yeah,
runway.
but not too late.
Alright. Right about now-ish?
Yeah.
1,000. No. That's full flaps.
Now look at your nose. You want it declined a little bit down.
Okay.
Trim it. Reach down and there you go. Yep.
There we go.
Relax. Let
Okay.
go. Let
All
go.
right.
Let go. Stay. Let go. See that? Look at that.
That's
See that?
Yeah.
Look at that.
That plane's fine.
Yeah. So what do you? So now you know. Now, we're not going to land. We're just going to level off at about hangar height. So look over there. There's the hangars. Now, you're sinking, so power. In a slow flight now, so you're going to have to manage pitch and power. Get over the center line. Add more and more power. Up.
Up.
Okay, let's go around.
All right, going around.
Full power. Just boom, in there. There you go.
Oh, nose down. There we go. 1,000.
Relax on the yoke. Just thumb and forefinger. Thumb and forefinger. Right here. Like there.
Oh.
There you go. Nope. Like this. Literally. There you go. Yep. And finish your flaps. Yeah, that was good. See?
Yeah. Whoop.
Now you're doing that thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Remember, you got to overpower him.
Yeah. I gotta remember that.
All right, so you can relax on final.
So I can sort of relax.
So next time we're going to try the feet chatter.
I was trying that
really?
a little bit.
Oh, okay.
I did give it a shot, but it was too distracting.
Okay.
Like, I gotta stop. Okay.
All right.
Auburn traffic 986 Golf, turn crosswind for the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
So when you roll back to the right, give it some right foot.
Okay.
Yeah, that's better.
Okay.
All right, check your left, lift your wing. Nobody there, turn downwind.
Alrighty. Auburn traffic 986 Golf, turning downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
You roll back to the right, right foot comes in. There you go.
Okay.
And start powering back.
Woo. Another bit of turbulence right over where we saw it last time.
Yep.
Alright, pull the power, pull the power, pull the power, pull the power.
Just bring it on back quickly.
Right.
More and more. Yeah. There you go. Lower your nose, start using pitch. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah, you'll get really intimate with all the landmarks and everything here in the pattern.
Yeah.
Settle to my traffic, Skyhawk, Niner uniform, Lima approaching from the southeast. We're out 17 miles.
Alrighty, let's pitch down a little bit. Oop, not that far. What do you think of that?
Yep, perfect.
Oh boy, we're pretty high.
Just bring more power out, turn your base at the same time, you would. A lot of people tend to extend if they're high, just compensate by less power.
Okay.
But not too much, you wouldn't want to dive.
Okay.
Feel that rush of wind?
Yeah.
So that's another indicator of speed.
Yeah, I could feel it.
Yep. Look at your runway. Does it look high or low?
It looks
Start
high.
using your flaps. Bring your power.
1,000. 1,000. Alrighty. Turn to final. Little bit of back pressure. And we overshot it.
Uh-huh.
Alright. That's okay. Auburn traffic 980 Golf on the final for runway 25. Auburn traffic. Oh yeah, we're really high. 1,000.
Start with power, then follow with flaps.
Alright.
Let go. You were there. Okay, perfect. That's the nose is trimmed. Okay, now add a little power. A little bit less. Coming back. Bring it back over. Relax. Thumb and forefinger. Power back. Pick that nose up. Come on. Look way out there.
Okay.
Way out there.
Alright, I'm looking right at the end of the runway.
Yep. Add a little power. Slow fly it down the runway. All right. All right, let's go around. Full power. Get it in there. Yeah, there. I felt your right foot come in that time. Good.
2 1000.
Yep. Pick that nose up. Yeah, good. Less oscillation that time.
Yeah. 1 1000. 2 1000. There we go. That's feeling
nice.
better. Too much trim. That's full up. All right, cool.
So we overshot, and you're a little high. So I would lead that level off a little more and be a little bit more aggressive on pulling your power back.
Okay.
Sooner.
All right. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, turning crosswind for the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic. I keep putting my hand on my friggin' knee. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, turning downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic. I'm like, what leg am I on?
Right, here comes the level off. Start leading it. Bring that power back. Bring that power back.
Auburn traffic 290 Mike 5 to the south, 4000, landing 25. Auburn, anyone in the pattern?
Auburn traffic 9860 Golf on the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
290 Mike, looking.
1 1000. 2 1000. Auburn traffic 9860 Golf, turning base for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Auburn air traffic, please look up to 205 miles to the north at 3000, new mount for landing Auburn. Still mount 290 Mike on the left 45 for 25 at 3000 feet, looking for the helicopter.
Should be looking for me.
We'll be coming in from the north and I'll cross midfield and then the left downwind. Should be no factor for you. Mike.
1 1000. 2 1000.
Still a little bit of an overshoot.
2899er Quebec, taxi from Sunshine Flowers to runway 25, Auburn.
Auburn traffic 9860 Golf on the final for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Traffic 0 Mike, left downwind for 25, number 2, Auburn.
Let's go around. That last dip would have gotten you a huge float.
Yeah.
Okay, did you see how it scalloped?
Yeah.
Okay, you don't want that.
Okay.
So right when you're getting hangar height, don't let it do that.
Okay.
You may have been, where were you looking when that happened?
End of the runway.
Oh really? Okay, so you want to maybe pull your nose up toward to meet the end of the runway.
Okay.
Otherwise, not bad. A little overshoot again on base to final. Watch that. It's better to undershoot a little bit than...
Okay. Yeah, I was concentrating on a landmark that I probably shouldn't have.
Auburn air traffic, please pick up to 20 across the midfield, north to south, and then left downwind. 25, upwind, and final traffic in sight.
Okay, awesome. He's got me. Auburn traffic, 9860 Golf, turning crosswind for the downwind. Auburn traffic.
This crosswind's fine.
Okay.
Mike, short final 25, Auburn, full stop.
There's the helicopter. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf turning downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Still Golf 20, turning left base 25 Auburn.
There he is. And there's the plane. All right, cool.
Okay. Remember, power first before the flaps.
Yeah. On 1000. 1000.
I would bring it back more on the power.
Okay.
1700. There you go.
You
Yeah,
got it.
there we go.
Oh, that. I'm not fighting it as much. Okay.
Reach down and trim it a little bit. There you go. That's good. Like half a stroke.
Yeah. It wasn't even that much.
Yeah.
On 1000.
Mike off 25 Auburn.
Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, 0 Golf, turning base for runway 25. Auburn traffic. Okay. More power.
Settlement traffic, Phenom 391 is departing to the east. We're climbing through 3,500. Have a good day.
Oh, we're really.
Okay, so bring all the power out. Boom. There you go. All the flaps in.
On 1000.
Start your turn so you don't overshoot.
Ooh. That's an interesting feeling. The flap slowing us down.
Yeah, because you got full flaps, yep. And no power. Keep that nose steady, okay? There's power. There's starting to raise, maybe a squeeze of power. There you go. Keep the nose down. See how it wanted to raise? Push against that.
Okay. Trying to find a good bug spot to use.
Okay. Starting to raise again, add a little power. Push against the power, push against the power. Add a little power, add a little power. Push against it. Got to keep that nose steady, relax, out to the end of the runway. Oh, if you're letting the nose come up, let's go around.
Okay.
Up. There you go. I think what you're doing is you're hanging on, you're almost resting on the left side. So that's because you're doing this. You gotta do that.
Okay. 1000. 1000.
You're hanging on it again, relax, keep it level. Don't let the trim take you away. There's some more flaps. Kind of doing this.
Yeah.
Keep it steady. Go. Get that 20-degree turn in before we overfly the. That's good. Probably start your crosswind here.
Alright. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, crosswind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
For that right foot coming in. There you go, nice. Okay, look under your wing, turn. Got a lot of thermal activity here. It's like, woo, you get these huge rises. Like right there, that's kind of a, oh, there we go, up elevator.
Yeah, that's...
Now bring that power back.
Auburn traffic 9860 Golf on the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic. On 1000. 1000. On 1000. 1000. Auburn traffic 986 Golf turning base for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
It's time, let's get the feet busy.
Okay. Just,
yeah, there you go, like that. Yep,
tiny,
you got it perfect.
So it doesn't do much.
Travis
but you can
approach,
feel it.
and the 2 Foxtrot Romeo has net tree in sight.
Auburn Travis, Cessna 28999 Quebec, holding short for landing traffic. Auburn.
Auburn traffic 986 Golf turning final for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Looking at your runway as you turn. There you go. Turn, keep the turn, keep the turn.
Travis approach.
Put that nose under there.
Net tree traffic, Bonanza 2 Foxtrot Romeo is 1 mile
Add a
to the
little
south.
power if you
Fly
necessary,
midfield and
go.
enter a right downwind for
Relax.
runway 20, net tree.
Thumb and forefinger. There you go, nice. Keep the feet working, keep the feet working, nice. Look at that. Keep them working. Up, sliding under, pull some power back. Lower the nose a little bit. Work the feet, work the feet. Nice, good application of power. Keep working up. And full power, let's go around.
Auburn traffic 986 Golf going around.
You actually just do it. You don't have to really call it.
Oh, okay.
Auburn Travis, Cessna 28999 Quebec, taking runway 25 for departure to the west.
That was just, you're getting better. Did that help a little bit? It looked like it was stabilizing you.
Maybe.
Yeah.
It's hard to say. Okay. All right.
It looked better to me.
Oh, okay. Well, you're the expert.
Yeah. A little slow on the power out.
Bonanza 2 Foxtrot
Let's get that
Romeo
noise
turning
abatement
right down
turn in.
runway 20, net tree.
Got our turn in.
That's good. 20 degrees.
Auburn traffic 986 Golf on the crosswind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Net tree traffic, Bonanza 2 Foxtrot Romeo turning right base, runway 20, net tree.
Auburn traffic 986 Golf on the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Net tree
Nice.
traffic, Bonanza 2 Foxtrot Romeo turning final, runway 20, net tree.
You're on it.
I'm trying, man.
Awesome.
I'm really
You're
trying.
like on it.
All right, let's start descending. So pull some power. Wait just a minute. So we cross those numbers.
Gas undercarriage mixture prop.
Yes, undercarriage, mixture full. Prop's a prop.
Yep.
Power.
And let's try this. I'm going to come back all the way into power, start turning. Get
Okay.
in there to the runway.
Oh.
Trim that nose up, trim the nose up. There you go. Yeah, there you go. You're gliding, basically.
Okay. Auburn traffic 986 Golf on base for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Don't worry about the calls. Just keep the nose pointing generally towards the runway. Just kind of
Okay.
keep it coming around.
All
It's
right.
going to look more like a U.
All right.
Okay? And your flaps, you can start using the flaps when you feel like it's necessary, like right about now.
Okay.
Just a little
11,000.
bit.
All right. Little tiny bit.
Yep. Keep it coming around. It's going to look more like a U.
Okay.
Forget your squared turn. Keep it
Okay.
coming around. Flaps. All of them. Keep it coming around.
Oh, okay.
Just dump them here.
All right.
Keep the nose down. Don't let it,
Okay.
let the nose settle. Relax.
Net tree traffic,
Obviously we're high.
Yeah.
right downwind 420, departing to the east.
You're overdoing that, relax a little bit, keep it tighter, like instead of this, try a little bit of that, okay?
Okay.
There you go. Keep that little bit of corrections. Hold it off. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it. Drag that tail, keep it working.
Okay.
There you go. Woohoo! I helped a little bit on that, but not much. You see what I mean about the? You're kind of doing this.
So what I'm doing is, it's like I'm driving, which is
yeah. That's a good.
I need to fly. I need not to drive. I need to fly.
That's a good. I never thought. Yeah.
Oh, it's hot as hell in here. Oh boy.
All the way past.
Oh.
If we're at a towered airport, they would not consider you clear of the runway until your tail actually clears that line.
Okay.
And the opposite, holding short of it, your nose is going to be well short of it.
Got it. So I can still basically still see it.
Yep. And then you start cleaning it up.
All right, I'll make a call real quick. Arbor traffic 9860 Golf, clear of runway 25. Arbor traffic. Flaps up. Carb heat in. There we go. After landing check.
Very good. Let's we'll taxi back and try a couple more.
All right.
How are you feeling?
Not too confident.
Well, it looks like you're, this part will come.
Yeah.
Okay? What I'm seeing now is a more and more and more consistent pattern.
Okay.
So, and you're starting to get busy, like on the downwind. You're starting to think ahead.
Okay.
You're going like, okay, I know this is coming up, so let's get these things going. That's what I'm seeing.
Okay.
So it looks like you're a little bit ahead of the airplane now on the...
Where I've been mostly behind the airplane.
So, end of this session with a couple more, and then into the next session, you're going to find that you're catching up to it on final.
Okay.
And you're going to have more space to think about the final. Okay, so again, all the way out, and just little. Don't hang on the yoke.
Yeah, I'm trying to drive the stupid thing.
Yeah, I never thought of it that way. Go a little faster.
Yeah. The helicopter's cool.
Yeah, it is. Feel that? Did you see the picture on the touchdown? The nose was covering up the end of the runway. Did you feel the nose, the wheels, the main wheels first?
Yep, I felt the wheels. I don't know if I saw the.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine.
I was concentrating on holding it off the ground.
Yeah.
Letting it just. Boop, just plop. I keep.
No, that's still, you want to get over that.
I want to hang on to it, but at the same time, I keep finding myself doing... when I hold short here, I should still be able to see the lines.
Yeah, that's a good way of saying it. Yeah. Yep.
All right, so this is holding short.
That's good. Yeah.
Okay.
You could go a little closer, but this is good.
All right. Good practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Doesn't get the tower nervous if you were at a tower airport and you go up. Sure, they were like, oh, what's he gonna do? Is he taking the runway or okay, he's holding short.
He's holding really short.
Yes.
All right. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf, taking runway 25 for left, close traffic. Auburn traffic. Can we just cruise with the window open?
You can.
Yeah. Try that at some point. Maybe not today. Wind is starting to die down. Nice. Maybe we can run land 7-1 the sun's a little lower.
Up, get that, yeah, get it. Work those feet, there you go.
Work that right foot, you mean?
Yep. A little bit of right run, there you go, nice.
All right. Cool.
So this time I want to try to fly it and not drive it like you said.
Yeah. Holy shit, that sun's bright.
So it's kind of
more,
and it's just more like, like that.
Get your input in.
Yeah,
Get it back to neutral.
Yeah.
Get your input in. Okay.
Yep.
South County traffic, Viper 06, flight 2 known helicopter is currently 7 miles southeast airfield.
Arm traffic 90860 Golf, turning crosswind for runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Don't worry too much about making the calls. You're doing great on the comm, actually. So don't even make the calls unless you have to.
Oh, okay.
Look, it's better to look and fly than to. And if I see someone or hear someone, then I usually start talking, so I can let them know.
All right.
Entry traffic, Cessna 9904, Victor's 10 miles.
I'll call our base and final then.
Entry.
Yeah. Just so.
Actually, I'd rather you could do these calls, but not that, because I'd rather have you looking and making your corrections.
Okay. Auburn traffic 90860 Golf on the downwind for runway 25. Auburn traffic. One 1000. 2 1000. 3 1000.
Now let's try that again. Let's come back or head over there. Trim that nose up.
One 1000. 2 1000.
So what is our get down mechanism now, or get up?
Our get up mechanism?
We don't really have a get up
We don't
mechanism.
have a get up mechanism.
But
Nope.
we got this to
We
get
have
down.
our flaps. So if we wanted to get up just a little bit more.
Make these coordinated turns, don't drive it, start an input, go back to neutral, there you go, like that. Don't, there you go, just kind of get it started.
I'm just trying to see what it's going to do.
Oh, okay, gotcha. And we might want to hold on the last flap. Maybe we went in too soon on them. You may have to come in with a little power. Lower the nose as you come in with the power, lower the nose as you come in with the power, lower the nose, there you go. Add more and more power, lower the nose. Kind of a simultaneous thing. Make those inputs, get the feet chirping. There you go, work those feet, make the inputs, keep it busy, lower there you go. Power back, nose up, power back, nose up, power back, nose up. Ooh, there's a little bit of a, land it again. Hold it off. Hot damn, right on.
All right.
Good job.
Entry traffic, Cessna
Good. See how busy you were?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the kind of busy you want to be.
Okay.
Got to be
Super busy.
just kind of small little corrections.
Okay.
Yeah, that was all right.
Okay.
It was kind of a flat, and
Yeah.
did you feel the kinetic energy kind of bringing it?
Oh,
That's what we talked about.
Yep.
Didn't even have much flying speed over the wings, but that all it took was that
little bit of a bounce.
Yep. Those are springy gear.
Yeah, they are. Holy moly.
All right. Once you start getting this, you're going to have so much fun, you're not going to want to stop. You're just be like, I'm going to be over here like, can we go in? No, like, you're going to be like, I want more too.
Oh, leave me alone. Okay.
All right.
Oh, we're clear of the runway. Auburn traffic 9860 Golf, clear of runway 25. Auburn traffic.
Good. Let's taxi back.
All right. Oh. The winds calm are really, really nice for this practice. That hill right there freaks me out.
It does me, actually. It's a little disconcerting.
Yeah. Could go down to Link, where there's no hills. Oop, too fast.
Did you see how you landed it again?
Yeah.
So hold it.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
Yeah. The second
hold
time
it where it is. Yeah. And
I was a little afraid. It's like, oh shit, am I gonna hit the tail on the?
No, you won't hit the tail.
Okay. I am trying really hard to ignore.
Oh, that's all right.
Yep. So I'm constant when I'm looking at the instruments. All I'm looking at is the altimeter.
Good. That's all I look at.
All right. Sit back for a minute. I hope those swallows stay out of our way.
And hop in that twin right there, that King Air.
Yeah.
And literally not look at the airspeed indicator.
And just fly by feel.
Just know. Yep. Exactly. It's not really feel. It's flying by attitude. So you're flying the wing, basically.
Okay.
There's a really good book. One of these days, if you want to add it to your library, you should start building an aviation library.
Oh yeah.
Next time you get a book, an aviation book, I highly recommend Fly the Wing.
Okay.
I think either Fly the Wing or Flying the Wing.
All right.
Get it in Amazon or something like that.
Sure.
It's a classic, kind of like the book you have now, the Kirshner book.
Uh-huh. Auburn traffic 9860 Golf, runway 25 for left, closed traffic. Auburn traffic.
All right, let's get it on that center line on the takeoff and hold it.
Traffic 7904 Victor, turning left to enter a right downwind, runway 20, not true.
Hold it, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Yeah, that's pretty good. Let it go, you're getting a little... But that's all right, yeah, you kept it within a few feet either side, so... Lift your wing before you turn. Take a peek. Nobody there. Turn.
All right. Auburn traffic 9860 Golf on the downwind for runway 25, Auburn traffic.
That's your traffic, Cessna 04 Victor, right base, runway 20, power off 180, Cedric.
A helicopter?
I don't know.
On 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. On 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Auburn traffic 9860 Golf turning final for runway 25, Auburn traffic.
That's your traffic, Cessna 04 Victor, turning right crosswind, runway 20 knots.
Yep. There you go. Yep. Add a little power. Hold it off. Hold it off.
Ground came up pretty quick.
That's because you're so slow.
Yeah. Oh shit, we can take Delta.
That's your traffic, Cessna 9904
Very nice.
Victor, right downwind, runway 20 knots.
That was okay.
You're a little low.
Yeah.
You started doing the stretch it, or what they
Yeah.
call the undershoot approach.
Yeah.
I got a little too relaxed there. Sorry about that. I was like, oh! I was like,
Were you just
I was
kind of?
just kind of, yeah. I was just like,
All of a
like,
sudden, I kind of realized what was going on when
you had me
late.
that confident. Actually, I was like over here, like, whoo, okay.
All right.
But
All right. Auburn traffic 96 Golf, clear the runway. Auburn traffic.
all right, we'll clean it up and taxi to the fuel island and learn how to fuel.
All right.
Good job.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
I was just going to say, you know, I think I'm done. But I think you figured that one out.
Nice though.
It was the initial approach was good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You're just.
And then but once we got closer, I think I let out too much power too soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, we sunk.
Well, that is exactly why we do the stall work.
Yeah.
Because a lot of people ask, well, why are we doing stall work? Like, well, okay.
Shouldn't we be learning to land?
Well, because what you see is that you don't see it at altitude when we're practicing stalls because you can't see the relative motion.
Yep.
But when you're getting close to a stall and that critical angle of attack, and you actually stall, if you do that low to the ground, that happens. You get that last sink.
Yeah.
Okay. that happens next time, just what would you do next time? I won't even say. I'll let you critique. How would you do it next time?
What I would
First of all, don't get yourself in that situation.
Yeah,
but let's say you are.
Yeah. So I should have paid attention. I was watching the lights a little bit, and they did go red. I'm like, I think we're still fine. What I should have done when I saw them go red was add a little more power.
Yeah.
So, and
just
I did.
a little bit more skosh more is what we're talking about.
Yeah, it was. It didn't need to be much. It would.
Yeah.
Like taxi power basically is what I needed to add to it, and I think we would have been fine.
Yep.
But instead, I'm like, meh. I think we're okay. Turns out, not so much.
But you're, I'd say, yeah, you keep it up.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Okay.
Keep it up. You're doing good.
Cool.
You're like getting into range now. Yeah,
really?
You're cooking.
Oh.
Yeah, you're.
Okay.
We get to, I'm going to start playing with you next time. I'll start doing a little bit more of the unusual stuff, like pulling the power
when you do
I'm
that.
going to start failing stuff on you and start to...
Okay, you have no flaps and that sort of stuff?
Yeah, that kind of thing. Start doing... we'll turn here.
Oh.
Wasn't...
Good turn?
Yep, and over a little bit more this way, I'll help you here.
Okay.
100 low lead is what we want.
Yeah.
Right here.
Alright. Okay. Flaps, curve.
Oh, avionics.
Avionics off. Guess I should have used the checklist. Where the hell is it? There it is, shut down. Station master. Throttle to idle. Oh, master off. I'll wait for...
Not yet, though.
Yeah. Ground check. Air idle cutoff. Master switch.